It is Thanksgiving time, which means pumpkin muffin time, one of my family's favorites, and I'm going to show you how to make them. In this bowl, I have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of regular table salt. I'm going to mix this together, and then I'm going to get my wet ingredients going. Next, into another large bowl, I have 4 eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups, yeah, I know that's a lot, but 3 cups of sugar. I said it was delicious, not healthy. And then you want to get pumpkin, 100% pumpkin canned, okay? This is the 15 ounce. You do not want pumpkin pie filling. You just want 100% pure pumpkin, okay? Put that in there, mix it up. Pumpkin mixture is done. Now I'm going to add the wet to the dry and mix together. Just add the wet to the dry, now mix away. My batter has come together, and now I'm going to put into these little cute little mini bundt tins, and I have sprayed it with pan with flour, just like if you saw my chocolate chip bundt cake recipe. Same thing. Spray it liberally with pan with flour, and then held this over the sink, and I did a half a cup of sugar and just sprinkled it all over, and then I shook the pan to get it all in there, and then I dumped out the excess onto the next one so that I wouldn't waste sugar. So now I'll get a 1/4 cup measure, scoop this out, and then fill these up. You do not want them all the way. That's as much as you want right there, about 3/4. I have my mini bundt pans all filled up. I have a little extra left over, so I might do an individual big one in a little pan. But put these in the oven 20 to 25 minutes or so. It totally depends on your oven, so just watch these. You will know when they're done. The tops look really puffy. You can do the toothpick test. The toothpick comes out clean, they're done. Or you can touch the top of them and they spring back. When it's spongy and it springs back, it's done. Once these are done cooking, let them rest for about 10 minutes and then turn them out. So, about 20 minutes exactly is how long these took. You see, look at the middles. They spring back. See, these toward the back were a little more done, but I kind of like those actually. And then I have the other pan in there that's not quite done. So this is it. I'm gonna let them sit for another 8 minutes, and then they'll be ready to take out. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, wow, look at that. Beautiful. See that sugar crust on there? Oh my goodness. Y'all, these are so good. You obviously do not have to make the mini muffins. You can make a couple of just regular low pans of this. Obviously, it's gonna cook closer to probably about 50 minutes or so, 50 minutes to an hour. Just keep checking back because you obviously don't want it to burn. But the biggest thing is to make sure that the middle of the bread, whether it's in these muffin tins or in a big loaf tin, to make sure that the middle is completely done before you take it out. And the magic number, remember, 210 degrees. Once the middle is 210, the cake is totally done. So you can take it out at 205 or so, because that carryover temperature. So make these, I know you'll love them. Enjoy. Also, one more thing, if you do enjoy these videos and you would like me to continue making more, please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Happy holidays.